Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I was thinking, if I want to become an actual CU Boulder YouTuber, I'm gonna have to do a classic dorm tour. Everyone has a dorm tour video, but I was thinking I'll do something just a little bit different. I live in Stearns East, which is in Williams Village, and I have a bunch of friends who live in Farrand, and I was gonna do a Farrand dorm versus Williams Village dorm like comparison almost. That's gonna be this video right here. Let's get to it.
Yup, I be on my way. Yup, I say 100 bag, hit it right back. Switch it up, flip it up, bet you like that. So put your number on this paper, cause I would love to take you up on a lovely day. Don't care what your last situation.
Alright, here we are at the door. Room number 356. Come hit me up. Just kidding, don't. I'll be honest, it's pretty spacious in here. Like, we have a lot of space in between our fucking beds. This is my roommate's side. He's not here right now. Look at this shit. Flat screen on the end of a bed? What? I want that. I kind of want that. It's pretty lit. He's got the South African flag, although he's not South African. He just likes soccer. Here's the door, and to the right of it, we have a classic kitchen. We got our fridge, we got milk, we got one Yoplait yogurt, and we got quesadillas. Cause my mom made me bring a goddamn quesadilla maker, and it's honestly the best decision I've ever made. I make quesadillas every goddamn night. Microwave. Cooks shit with nuclear radiation. Pretty lit. Right next to the kitchen, we of course have the trash and recycling. And right above that, our air freshener. I highly recommend you buy one of these, honestly. Shit's lit. Alright, we got the shelf. Shit's packed. Mostly his side. Fucking my side has jack shit. I do have a first aid kit though. Also highly recommend a first aid kit. I needed it within the first week. So, yeah. And then we have this little nook chair right here. This is where Tommy sleeps when he's at my room at 4 a.m. and doesn't want to go back to Farrand. Insert picture. Right above that I have a little green screen. I don't know what, I've just put this up recently. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with it. But we'll see. My woodland sheets. Straight from the woods, I guess. Michael's calling me. I'm supposed to be studying for physics right now. But I'm ditching. Alright, we got the Great Wave Tapestry. Very illegal. This is very illegal. I'm not supposed to have this in my dorm. Also this, I'm not supposed to have these. These two together though. Incredibly illegal. I'm living my life on the edge here, as you can see. I've got this cool minimalistic fucking rocket ship poster, as well as this psychedelic-y fucking poster. It's pretty lit. As you can see, I'm doing math. It's math. Alright, we got the fuzzy rug. This is where Will Dodge sleeps. He's a local legend. Got the shoes. Got both the boards hanging. And then finally the desk setup. Closet and shit. We both share a closet, but we both get one half side of it. It's not that bad, honestly. I got all my shits. I gotta do my laundry. I'll do it later. Alright, so that was the dorm tour. I'm gonna head to main campus, study for physics, and then show you guys what Farrand looks like. We can compare and contrast, do a little friendly debate, which is better. We'll go. Okay, I'll catch you guys later.
100 bag, get it right back. Switch it up, flip it up, bet you like that. So put your number on this paper, cause I would love to take you up